Welcome to Mighty News.
Thank you.
You had begun your career as a Bollywood director with amazing movies like Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak and Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, and suddenly you have transformed yourself as an author. What made you take this decision?
But I must just take you one step back, because even when I made films, I was not planning to be a filmmaker. I was studying engineering. And then I went into filmmaking. See, each thing that I've done in my life has been because I'm trying to look for something, At that time, I was trying to look for acceptance. I wanted to prove that I can be useful. So I made films to kind of prove to myself and to my father that, Whereas this time, again, it was not like, oh, let me write a book. I was thinking that this is an important subject. This is something that people should know about. And I used to go and give lectures. But the nature of the subject is such that you have to write it as a book. So that's how I thought of writing it as a book. The idea was to communicate it. See, the obvious thing people would say, why don't you make a film? Because you were a filmmaker. But the kind of thought is slightly serious, it's slightly technical, it's slightly academic. So it's not good material to make a movie. So that's why I thought of writing a book about this.
Talking about your book, it is named as Third Curve. What does your book exactly talk about, and why have you named it as the Third Curve?
Okay, my book is actually talking about the limits the limits which exist on this planet. Fundamentally, the limits of energy. And we believe, in our modern world, we believe that the world should keep growing. Economic growth, industrial growth, financial growth, money growth. And this kind of perpetual growth, which is actually exponential, is not possible. Growth is only possible when you have cheap energy. So I'm trying to explain to people that, look, when we had cheap energy over the last 250 years, we were able to grow. And now we've reached the limits of that available energy, and now we're actually going to degrow. So what you're finding, financial markets are collapsing, food prices are going up, petroleum prices are going up, businesses are in trouble, governments are in trouble, banks are shutting down, jobs are going down, factories are shutting down. People are seeing it from an economic perspective, whereas I'm trying to explain this to them from an energy perspective.
And the last question, how do you feel after having an interactive session with all the PILF participants?
Well, I think that people are very receptive. By and large, I found that everybody is quietly listening to. I had lesser time to speak, but I found that everybody was in sync with what I was saying. I didn't get any serious, answers. I could have answered them if they have their doubts. But I would suggest to them, even this much interest is good. I would suggest that they read the book, because most of those questions are answered in the book. So yeah, PILF is a great platform.
Thank you so much. We wish you all the best for your book.